Welcome to the Indian Mom's Kitchen. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, then please do so now and press the bell icon for notifications for all the new videos that I upload. If you have liked today's video, then please hit the like button and comment because your feedback is valuable to me. Also, share this video with your family and friends so that they too can make yummy food during these pandemic times. Stay safe and healthy. Warm regards from the Indian Mom's Kitchen. Today's recipe is a very quick and easy chana masala. I've named it the Bachelor's Chana Masala because this recipe has no fuss or muss. It is easy to be put together and doesn't require any sauteing or extra effort to make this yummy. So let's begin. For this chana masala, I'm going to make the gravy first. For that, into a blender, I've taken 4 cloves of garlic, 1-inch piece of ginger, 5 green chillies, you can adjust it as per your taste, 1 onion roughly chopped, two tomatoes also roughly chopped, half a teaspoon of fennel or saunf, half a teaspoon of cumin or jeera, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri Chilli powder, a teaspoon and a half of coriander or Dhania powder, 1 teaspoon of Amchur or dry mango powder, 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala, a little water to make it into a good paste, here into a cooker I've taken 1.5 cups of Kabuli Chana which I have soaked overnight, to which I'm adding the ground paste, 2 tablespoons of oil, salt to taste, mix everything well, add 1.5 cups of water, for added flavor, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of Kasuri Methi which I'm crushing lightly by hand. Cover the cooker and pressure cook for 1 whistle on high flame. Then reduce the flame and continue cooking for 15 minutes. Ideally, by the end of this time, your Kabuli Chana should be cooked well. Press 1 and see if it's done. If not, give it 1 more whistle. Add a handful of coriander leaves. Mix well. A quick and easy Bachelor's Chana Masala is ready to be eaten. Savor this with rice, roti, or like me with baturas. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, then please give it a big thumbs up. Also comment on and share this video among your friends and family. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please do so now and do not forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching and have a great day.